Great, in this problem we're given a function and we want to describe the graph, a few things about that, and in particular finding the vertex. So the first thing to notice about this quadratic is that it's in standard form, and so when we go to find the vertex, you can use the standard form kind of formula in order to do that. One of the first things that I always notice is just the leading coefficient. That gives me something that I can say in particular about the shape of this graph. And so since that invisible one is there and it's positive, we know that this is going this graph is going to be opening upward. So that's always something that you can comment on relatively easily. Next, let's go ahead and talk about the vertex of this function. So for standard form, if we can use the formula. So the formula for that is that we get the x value of the vertex in particular.